Hi, my name is Katherine Harrison, and I'm the founder of FixFake. FixFake delivers risk scoring software to automate authentication and find fakes for e-commerce marketplaces. Gen Z and millennial consumers are focused on how their retail habits impact the planet. This focus on sustainability has led to the growth of a $36 billion apparel resale market. And at the intersection of this trend have emerged 150 specialty marketplaces, each of which helps to facilitate the purchase and sale of second-hand goods. Each of these marketplaces promise to verify each individual product to ensure that consumers don't fall prey to one of the $254 billion worth of counterfeit goods in just 3 categories: shoes, apparel, and leather. This is an extremely expensive value proposition. Marketplaces spend between $5 to upwards of $20 million per year to authenticate goods. First and foremost, they have to weed out the nearly 10% of products that they receive that are fake. Second, they have to stand up huge teams of authenticators. This is skilled labor that knows the difference between a real and a fake Nike. They have to build warehouses for that authentication process to happen. And finally, they must develop and buy software to triage these workflows. Finally, fakes still get through. So these companies have to pay fraud claims and sometimes find themselves subject to massive litigation. Let's take an example from The RealReal, a company which has brand authenticity at the core of its promise. They find themselves embroiled in a $100 million lawsuit with Chanel for selling fake handbags. FixFake solves this problem by halving the authentication costs. We reduce the number of problematic inventory that gets into the systems, we accelerate and reduce the cost to authenticate, and we reduce fraudulent claims and counterfeit returns. First, our software can be embedded right at the seller experience so that images can be verified both for the source and the condition of the product. Our confidence scores can be embedded by the marketplace to help them determine whether or not to proceed with the sale. Next, we're actually present in the warehouse, taking pictures of the product as it arrives, scanning it around 19 different dimensions to signal potential counterfeit, and finally releasing a confidence score which provides recommendations for how authenticators should proceed. Overall, we improve the unit economics by reducing the number of products which have to be manually authenticated from 100% today down to less than 30%. Only FixFake can accurately authenticate at the kind of scale that the largest e-marketplaces require. And authentication is critical to the resale market and to retail in general. Fraud is a large and well understood problem, but no solutions today solve it. FixFake's pricing aims to capture about 5% of the client's cost savings. For clients that are spending $5 million, we aim to save them $3 million, and they will spend about $150,000 per year on FixFake services. We can also grow our revenue per client as we add additional product authentication services and customization for specific companies. We've built a strong enterprise pipeline connecting with over 200 different marketplaces and retailers. We've had conversations with nearly half of these and confirmed our first pilot with one of the world's largest sneaker marketplaces for Q1 2021. FixFake aims to be the source of product truth. We're beginning with sneakers, apparel, and luxury goods, and long-term, we plan to expand into many different categories to be the center of authenticity across brands and to allow consumers to register ownership of their products. With all of these capabilities, we'll also be able to extend anti-counterfeit analytics and solutions for enterprise. Our team has deep expertise in product, identity, and computer vision, and we are ready to transform product authentication. We hope that you will join us in finding fakes for e-commerce marketplaces and never worry about purchasing counterfeit again. Thank you.